Alright guys, welcome back. Here we have another repair video for you. Today we're replacing the headlight bulb in this 2006 Honda Pilot 3.5 V6 four-wheel drive. It's a low beam, so it's this guy right here, or no, this one. It's one of these two. Either how, turn on your headlight and this is the side that's burnt out. So went to the local Walmart, got the H11 low beam. The high beam I believe is a 2006 or 8 number. This is the low beam Savannah Silver Star. This is one step before the highest you can get. It's got the blue tint to it. Went ahead and buffed and cleaned the headlights before I done this. The bulb was probably about 20 bucks or so. The cheapest was $9.88. This was 20, and then the step after that I think it was like 25 or 30. But I only needed one. Later on down the road, if this is actually brighter than the other one, then I'll end up replacing that one too as well. So, tools you're going to need is basically your hands and some gloves. You don't want to get your fingers, grease from your fingers touching the bulb. You'll eventually burn out the bulb. Later on, it won't last as long. So, we're going to this little bulb right here. First you want to do is take your finger, push down on the bottom. You see it pushes down. Push the little clip down and then pull it down. Just like that. Now you're going to take it and turn it counterclockwise to the left. Take it out, just like so. Get the other one out, put it back in its place. Alright, so now you got them both out of the package. First you want to do is make sure that you did get the right one, which I did. As you can see right here, the camera will focus. It says H11, 12 volt, and then I've got a Savannah H11. It's going right back in its place. They are the same size, long ways, and the plastic connectors that plug into it are the same size. Make sure that inside here, if you see that little middle plastic piece right there, make sure the old one's got it, which it does. Alright, basically it's real easy to put back in its place. You're going to take it, very easy with it. Get my hand in here first. Don't scratch the end of the bulb. Push that little guy in there, like so, and then push it down until it stops, which means it's locked in. It's not going anywhere. Wiggle it up and down, pull it out. It's not going to go nowhere. Take your connector, put that bad boy back on there. Hear the little click, and you're done. Basically what happens here is you see these little things that stick out. They lock inside the headlight assembly housing, and that's what locks the bulb in. So go ahead and turn the headlights on, make sure it works. Alright, so basically as you can see, the newer one is almost a whiter light than the passenger side, so I may end up buying another one for the other side just so they match and they aim just the same. Make sure they are the same type of light that shines. So that's pretty much it. That's how do you replace your headlight bulb on your 2006 Honda Pilot. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the bottom. I'll try my best to get to them. I make how-to repair videos just about every other week, whenever I can, whenever possible. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I make how-to repair videos just like this. They're on my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night. Stay tuned for more just like this. Thanks.